All right. So we have another segment of the podcast called Secret Sauce. And that is, hey, what tip do you have for somebody who's currently owning, operating laundromats and maybe can help them level up to the next level?
Well, so I had two, and we already talked about one, which was kind of the asking for reviews part. We talked about the importance of that, so I won't get into that anymore. But I think another thing that's really important is go and use your services. If you've got a self-serve laundromat, go and use your machines. Use different ones. If you've got a machine that some folks are having some trouble with, go and use it yourself. See what's happening with it. If your clothes come out nice and clean like you like them, use the dryers. Use different dryers every time. See what you're offering to the people yourself. Send your wife or your husband, if it's the other way around, have them try it and give their feedback. Send your aunt, your uncle, whoever it is, someone someone you feel comfortable in their opinion, they'll be honest with you. Ask them to go and check out your place and give feedback to you. I think that could be pretty powerful in letting you know, hey, if there's something you need to tweak or something you're doing right, hey, I'm doing it right. Let's keep doing this. I think that could be really powerful. Drop off. If you have drop off service, go and drop your clothes off. Let your attendants do it. There's been many times where I've identified opportunities for us to fold things a little differently, to package them a little differently, because when I get it home, I realize, oh, you know what? This doesn't really make sense. We should be doing it like this. Or my wife says, hey, why don't they try this? I like this better. So it's a good way to trial and error, to use your own stuff and figure out how it goes. If you're doing pickup and delivery, same thing. See how your drivers, are they on time? Are they doing the job they're supposed to be doing, taking care of your stuff? And I just think it's really important to not just feel like you're doing a great job, but actually from experience, know you are.
Yeah, I love that. I love that. Sort of that quality control that you got going on there, just to make sure everything's running smooth. And
every week.
Yeah. Oh, do you do it every week?
Yeah. I mean, that was part of my promise to my wife to start the laundromat business, is that she wouldn't have to do laundry anymore. So I'm trying to keep that going.
I love that. Love it, love it, love it. I mean, I think it's the perk of owning a laundromat, right? It's like the number one reason why you should probably just have a drop-off service, if not a pickup and delivery. And
I pay too. We pay for it. I tip just like a regular customer, all that. So
yep, killer. Awesome.